the day after the month ends, every single month, we meet at 8 o'clock, same time as we normally do for our morning huddle, but we go over the entire month as a whole. And in here, you're going to see the formats. Look at page 15 at the bottom. What do we do? In not exactly that particular order, but each team member shares something they learned about themselves from previous month. So it's a point of reflection. They also have an opportunity to review individual performance. Everybody gets a quick performance review for that month.
We have Stephen Moitz, who had 86 new conversations, 55% close rate, a 1.72 policies per household, and sold $141,104 this month. That is a phenomenal month. Great job, Stephen.
We review the team performance as a whole. We present awards, or at least acknowledge those who qualified for award, and then we order it and it comes in shortly after. And then we set a goal for the following month. So this is a reset every single month. We used to wait for the final numbers to come through from the company, but then you're a week into the new month, so you've already lost momentum from the previous month. It's really important to do a recap the morning after the month ends, and that becomes the launch pad for the new month. Cool. Just by the show of hands, just for that one, 5.5, raise your hand if you do that with your team. Every month on the first day of the new month, you meet with your team. Gosh, look around the room here. Look around the room real quick. Yeah, less than 10% of the people. And then we wonder why our team is not engaged. It's not just about the one-on-one acknowledgement. It's not just about the weekly reviews. There has to be a master reset every month led by you, the agency owner. If I'm out on a trip anywhere, we were in San Diego a few months ago, work-related trip, of course. I did the monthly recap meeting remotely. So it was 6 o'clock there, 8 o'clock, it was 6 o'clock in California, 8 o'clock here. Doesn't matter. I got to show up and I got to bring it, because that's the one day that I cannot miss with my team. That morning, we do the monthly recap meeting, and then I hop off, the team can start. But doesn't matter where you're at, you have to, as an agency owner, be the one who leads those monthly recap meetings. Not necessarily you saying all the things, but you provide the structure, and then the team can answer questions that are listed here in 5.5. I mean, this is one of the most underrated parts of the entire workbook, is having these monthly recap meetings. Our team here, you guys will see them. They're the ones with a red badge. You can ask them about our monthly recap meetings and how they feel about them.
We see time and time again people breaking their own goals, and we love to recognize them and all of their hard work and accomplishments.
It's cool to see other people's wins, and people didn't hit their goals, seeing them reflect on that and actually try to do something with that the next month.
Also, on a personal level, it allows me to see what my metrics were, as well as see where I want to head in the future.
That's a moment where they get recognized by the entire agency for their hard work that they did the previous month. And also, that's when we vote for our MVP. How do we vote for our MVP, Rob?
Yeah, the MVP is voted on by the team, and we vote based on three metrics, I guess you could call it. Yeah. One of them would be who exhibits the core values that we have in our agency, which we'll cover here in a moment. So who exemplifies our core values? The other is results. You have to have results if you're going to be the MVP. And then the third would be work ethic.
So when you think of all three of those, who did that most, and that person gets a MVP trophy that we move around the office depending on who's qualified for that. And that is, there's also a financial reward, a $300 experience that the agency pays for.
If you found this to be helpful and you want more training like this, Rob, where should they go?
2 places. 1, follow us on social media. And 2, if you want to learn how to work with us, go to insurancesaleslab.com.